Hey everyone, and welcome back to Highlights at Home. If this is your first time here, know that you can subscribe to this free program by clicking on the link you'll find in the description of this video. We have titled this packet of resources, The Never-Ending Pile of Fun, and its theme is laundry. Now I know that's probably not a theme you were expecting, but hey, you're not going anywhere and neither is that never-ending pile of laundry, so we may as well have some fun with it, right? We've been sequestered now for a couple of weeks, and we know that many of you are wondering if the wheels are starting to fall off the cart. The kitchen sink is full of dirty dishes, the laundry baskets are overflowing, despite your decision to wear those yoga pants 3 days in a row. Hey, we get it, no judgment, we are only here to help. We would like to remind you that this time might be an opportune time to remind your children that being a part of a family means that everybody has to do their bit to keep the household running smoothly. One of the silver linings to these circumstances might be the time to teach your children some life skills related to self-care. So toward that end, we've included in this pack-up some ideas for ways to reframe common household chores and make them more like games, because we know that if we do that, kids will engage more willingly. So tasks such as folding laundry, matching socks, putting away laundry, we've included ideas for ways to make them fun. We've also included, of course, the puzzles and crafts that you've come to expect in these free bundles. They are all themed, laundry or clothing. And one of my favorite inclusions in this bundle is a puppet script. And of course, the puppets are sock puppets that your kids will enjoy making from the socks that come out of the dryer having lost their mates. It's all good, clean fun, designed to keep your kids productively engaged, and also this time to maybe help you get some of the things done that you need to get done and keep everybody cheerful. From all of us at Highlights, stay healthy, stay hopeful. Check back in a couple days and we'll have more free resources for you and your kids. Take care.